Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to send large files in Yahoo Mail. Let's get started. First, go to yahoo.com, then click on Sign In right here. In this field, just enter in your username, email, or mobile number, or you may also choose to sign in with your Google account. This action will lead you to this similar page. On the top right corner, click on this mail icon to proceed to Yahoo Mail. In the Yahoo Mail, on the left panel, you have all these options. Just click on this pencil icon to compose a new message. In here, you just have to type in the email of the person you want to send this message to, and then add the subject title, and then this is the body where you will attach your file. Down here, you have all of these options. Click on this attach file icon, and then your laptop's file manager will open. So we have this sample right here, so click on the file that you want to send, and then click on open. So as you can see, this pop-up appeared. It said that the file that you are trying to attach exceeded the 25 megabytes attachment size limit. So just click on OK right here to exit. So to be able to send large files in Yahoo Mail, you can try going to your Google Drive. So just log in and go to your Google Drive, and then click on New right here in the top left corner, and then click on File Upload. And then your file manager will open once again. Click on the file that you want to upload and click on Open. And then it will start uploading your file to your Google Drive. So now, as you can see, your large file has been uploaded to your drive. So click on this three-dot icon here in the far right, and then click on Share down here, and then click Copy Link. Next, let's go back to your Yahoo Mail and go back to the body. Just paste your link by clicking on Ctrl+V on your keyboard. And then we have our link right here. So if you don't want to display this whole link, just click on the link, click on Edit, and then under the text field, just edit it like this, link here, and then click on Save down here, and then this is your link now. After that, just send your link to the person you want to send it to. And that is how you can send large files in Yahoo Mail. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.